Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create webinars with GoToWebinar, detailed guide step by step clearly. To create webinars using GoToWebinar, start by signing up for an account on the GoToWebinar website. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Click on the Create a Webinar button to start the process. Fill in the required details such as the title of your webinar. Select the date and time for your webinar, keeping your audience in mind. Choose the duration for your event, which can range from 30 minutes to several hours. In the webinar settings, set a custom registration form if needed. You may want to customize your registration confirmation email as well. Next, decide whether you want the webinar to be public or invite only. Once you have completed the settings, click on Save. Consider adding a unique description to give potential attendees more information. Upload a captivating thumbnail image to grab attention. Now, you can set up any integrations with other tools you might use. For example, connect your email marketing system to manage attendees better. After that, go to the Invite section to share the registration link. Promote your webinar via social media, email lists, or your website. As the webinar date approaches, send reminder emails to your registrants. On the day of the webinar, log in at least 30 minutes early to prepare. Check your audio and video settings to ensure everything runs smoothly. When ready, click on the Start Webinar button to go live. Engage with your audience through Q&A sessions during the presentation. After the webinar, review attendance reports to analyze participation. Finally, consider sending a follow-up email with a recording link to attendees. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.